So it appears as though in Australia there is a real groundswell of new private debt entrants. Why is that? Private debt in this part of the cycle, with inflation picking up, with people looking for defensiveness, with security, private debt, there's no wonder why so many people are looking to establish a presence in this area. It is also an area where in other parts of the world is an established part of asset allocation. But what is really important is to bear in mind that you need the experience through a cycle to navigate how you're going to construct these portfolios and being able to build a volume of deals and portfolios that have diversity rather than starting from scratch at this point in the cycle. At Revolution Asset Management, we've built a 4.5-year track record in private debt in Australia, coupled with an experience that goes back to 2005 before the global financial crisis. So the ability for us to navigate through these sorts of markets is what is really important, and asset allocation comes with giving the opportunity to manage that money with people who have got the experience to deliver that. And that's vitally important in terms of manager selection. So when we think about the competitive landscape on private debt, there are very many different types of risk return that all fit under the private debt banner. At Revolution Asset Management, we firmly believe in the defensive characteristics of capital preservation being the core of our philosophy. What does that mean? We avoid cyclical industries. A good example is we've never been involved in property lending and construction, which is very much boom and bust. We are very focused on making sure we have sleep at night credits and constructing portfolios that deliver very stable income at a much higher return than what is being offered through cash and cash-like products. So in that way, we can actually be true to label and be very defensive through this part of the cycle. With private debt, it's vitally important to be able to see what is in the pipeline. These are private markets. In private markets, you need to have the relationships, you need to have the experience, and you need to be able to originate very effectively and be extremely selective in the actual assets and investments that you make. So at Revolution Asset Management, we have this real scale with over $2 billion now of committed capital, which really puts us at the top end of the overall market of what we can do in terms of buy and hold. So with buy and hold volume that we can bring to the market, we are getting earlier calls, we're being able to shape key terms and conditions, and overall have a much better risk return than many other competitors are looking to establish their operations today.